Welcome to Auto Drive, your trusted destination for the latest, most detailed car and motorhome reviews, where we break down everything you need to know before making your next big purchase. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our updates, walkthroughs, and deep dives into the most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we're exploring something truly luxurious and adventure-ready, the 2026 Mercedes Armadillo Motorhome, a mobile mansion built for comfort, power, and cutting-edge living on the move. Stay with us for the entire video because we'll uncover not only the core specs but also the hidden gems and upgrades that make this a top-tier motorhome of 2026. The heart of the Mercedes Armadillo lies in its powerhouse engine. It comes equipped with a robust V8 engine designed for long-haul strength and smooth driving even when fully loaded with gear and passengers. With a displacement finely tuned for optimal torque delivery, the Armadillo delivers impressive horsepower, ensuring you get enough thrust even on hilly terrains and off-grid routes. The torque curve is flat and strong, giving you confidence when overtaking on highways or climbing steep inclines with ease. Paired with this engine is an advanced automatic transmission system that shifts seamlessly through a wide range of gears, providing efficiency and responsiveness whether you're cruising through city streets or navigating mountainous roads. The gear ratios have been engineered for maximum balance between performance and fuel economy, an essential factor for long-distance motorhome travelers. In terms of drive type, the 2026 Armadillo offers options including rear-wheel drive and an all-wheel drive configuration. The AWD setup is particularly useful for those planning adventures that take them off the beaten path, giving added traction and control during rain, snow, or uneven terrains. Moving inside, the cabin is where Mercedes truly shows its craftsmanship. The Armadillo Motorhome can comfortably seat up to 6 people, depending on the configuration. The interior is available in multiple material choices, with premium leather being the top-tier option. Expect soft touch surfaces, detailed stitching, and a modern design layout that makes it feel less like a vehicle and more like a high-end hotel suite. Heated and ventilated seats come standard, making long drives or stationary lounging extremely comfortable in any climate. Additional interior luxuries include a fully equipped kitchenette, a convertible dinette, and a spacious sleeping area with memory foam mattresses. Smart climate control, ambient lighting, and acoustic insulation create a calming environment, perfect for both travel and relaxation. The exterior of the 2026 Armadillo has been thoughtfully sculpted with aerodynamics and presence in mind. While still a motorhome, it carries the bold DNA of Mercedes styling, with a distinctive grille, LED lighting signature, and sleek lines. The body measures approximately 25 to 30 feet in length depending on the trim, offering a spacious yet maneuverable footprint. It features a wide wheelbase for stability and a tall roofline for enhanced interior standing space. Integrated storage compartments and an electric awning complete the practical touches that make setup at your destination a breeze. Underneath, the suspension system uses an independent setup that significantly enhances ride comfort, particularly on bumpy roads or off-road conditions. Advanced shock absorbers and a fine-tuned steering system, likely a rack and pinion type, provide precise handling, rare for a vehicle of this size. Braking is equally important in a large motorhome, and Mercedes equips the Armadillo with high-performance disc brakes on all 4 wheels. These brakes are ventilated for heat dissipation and come in large sizes to ensure consistent stopping power, even when towing or carrying a full load. On the safety front, the 2026 Armadillo does not disappoint. You get a full set of airbags, including front, side, and curtain units. Anti-lock braking system (ABS) and electronic stability control (ESC) are standard, helping the driver maintain control in emergency maneuvers or slippery conditions. Additional driver aids like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras may be included depending on the selected trim. As for infotainment, the Armadillo is fitted with a central touchscreen interface that includes satellite navigation, Bluetooth, USB connectivity, and smartphone integration. A premium sound system fills the cabin with rich audio, making road trips more entertaining. There's also a traditional radio and CD player option for those who enjoy classic formats. Now let's talk about those additional features that set the 2026 Armadillo apart from the competition. For starters, there's cruise control and power-operated windows and locks for added convenience. You also get the option for a panoramic sunroof, flooding the interior with natural light. Ambient interior lighting can be customized to suit your mood, whether you're winding down for the evening or preparing for the next stretch of your journey. Luxury lovers will appreciate the premium leather upholstery, real wood trim on the cabinetry, and chrome accents throughout the interior. These touches elevate the cabin experience to a level rarely seen in motorhomes. Meanwhile, advanced tech features like GPS-based navigation and full Bluetooth connectivity make communication and route planning easier than ever. The vehicle even supports remote diagnostics and over-the-air software updates. If you're performance-focused, Mercedes has not forgotten about you. There's a performance package available that includes a sport-tuned suspension, more responsive steering, and upgraded wheels. This transforms the Armadillo into one of the best-handling large motorhomes in its class. Design-wise, the distinctive Mercedes grille sets the tone. With custom paint options, special edition graphics, and sleek LED taillights, the Armadillo looks as good parked at a campground as it does cruising down the highway. Mercedes has paid attention to every little detail to make this motorhome a standout in both form and function. Lastly, let's touch on what's new for the 2026 model. Mercedes has introduced improved energy efficiency with a more advanced hybrid power management system, better insulation for quieter cabin ambiance, and newly available smart home integration features, allowing you to control lights, temperature, and security from your phone. These updates show that Mercedes continues to push the boundaries of what a motorhome can be. So whether you're a seasoned traveler looking for your next upgrade, or a family planning an epic road trip across the country, the 2026 Mercedes Armadillo Motorhome delivers on every front: performance, comfort, technology, and luxury. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes Armadillo, be sure to like, comment, and share this video with fellow motorhome lovers. And remember, Auto Drive is your go-to channel for the most in-depth and engaging vehicle reviews. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated with the latest releases, expert breakdowns, and feature highlights. Keep watching for more incredible automotive content, only here on Auto Drive.